The Soil and Water Conservation Districts of Minnesota invite high school and middle school students from across the state to compete in the Envirothon. The Envirothon is an outdoor, hands-on learning competition for students that centers around the study of our natural resources. During the competition, students visit 5 natural resource learning stations. The stations include soils, wildlife, water resources, forestry, and a current environmental issue. Each station is staffed by a natural resource professional who shares a short presentation on the natural resource and also about their career in conservation. Let's take a quick listen.
So these guys are mimics. So we do have quite a few snakes that will mimic a rattlesnake. These guys, even though it doesn't have a rattle, if it shakes its tail fast enough, it'll make a buzzing sound, especially if it's hitting leaves and twigs. And so it's trying to pretend to be a rattlesnake. This is the most common one we see in our area by whitewater because these guys are found in forests near streams. The gopher snake is a prairie snake. So on our goat prairies or some of the prairies we have, like at whitewater, there's a few bluff tops that we have a few acres of prairie. We could possibly see a bull snake there, but they're much more common out west where you have big areas of prairie. And then the timber rattlesnake likes the south-facing bluffs where it's really hot and dry up there.
Following the presentation, students take a short 20-question test. Students who compete at the high school level also give an oral presentation about a current environmental issue and answer questions from a panel of judges. When the scores are counted, the winning high school teams earn trophies and medals, while middle school teams earn ribbons for their efforts. The first and second place teams that win the area Envirothon move on to the state competition, which takes place in mid-May. The Envirothon is a great opportunity for students to get outdoors, work together towards a common goal, and learn about careers in natural resources. And it's a whole lot of fun. To participate in the Envirothon competition, contact your local Soil and Water Conservation District today.